Hi guys, kumulot na talagang buhok ko guys dahil sa mga pangyayaring. Pero I would like to thank those who commented in one of my videos. Grabe, I agree with you. Sobrang nakaka-overwhelm yung mga ginagawa ng mga Pilipino ngayon just for this to end. Kahit sa sarili ko, parang napapa-question na lang ako na up to what extent yung kaya kong gawin for this. But this is not just about Duterte, but this is about the future of the next generations. And lalo na kami dito sa abroad, we think about our families back home. Good for us kasi kaya pa natin kontrolin yung feelings natin. And good for the social media platform somehow. Nalalabas natin yung mga nararamdaman natin. But what about those people na uncontrollable? Na yung pag-respond nila in a certain situation is gumagamit sila ng dahas, baril, or ano ba. Yan yung pinaka-concern dito eh. Isa lang naman talagang goal natin. Gusto natin ng united and peaceful na country, di ba? Pero I know in my heart, God has a plan. And God is in complete control of everything. Hindi na to surprise sa Lord. We people, advance talaga tayo palagi mag-isip. Pero for this time, advance tayo mag-isip. Pero in a positive way. I just can't wait to see one day. I-welcome natin si former president sa airport. Kasi nakauwi na siya. And then he will see how people love him so much. Mapapanood niya na lahat ng videos na ginawa natin sa kanya. Mga pinaglalaban natin na kahit sa ang sulok ng mundo, worldwide na talaga to guys. Kahit saan pa naman sa buong mundo may mga Pilipino. Human as we are, we will feel impatient talaga kasi kapagod mag-antay. Pero it will be worth the wait. At the end of the day, maghahari pa rin ang kabutihan kaysa kasamaan. So, let us hope and pray that one day, sana wag tayong mapagod to fight for this. One day, we'll be proud of ourselves to be a part of this historical event of the Philippines. Diba? Taas noo kahit kanino. Uy, parang ang makabayan ko na ngayon. Nung una sa history na klase, wala naman talaga akong pakialam. Uy, pero ngayon parang dapat makialam na talaga tayo. We should use our voice to fight for our country. Grabe no? Hindi ko na-imagine sarili ko na mangyayari sa akin to. Pero pagputuloy lang talaga natin to guys. One day, magsi-celebrate tayo. Yun lang. Bye.